How to download and install Exness app on Android. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap on the Source button in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Exness. From the results, select the official Exness trading app developed by Exness Global Limited with the letter X in the icon. Tap on the install button and the app will begin downloading directly to your device. Once the download is complete, the Play Store will automatically install the app. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After that, tap on the open button and the Exness app will launch instantly. On the first launch, you might be asked to allow a few basic permissions. Grant this so the app can run smoothly without any issues. Next, you can either log in using your existing Exness account or create a new one if you are just getting started. After logging in, you will have access to your dashboard where you can manage trades, check live market updates, and explore the different trading tools available within the app. Now you know how to download and install Exness app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.